Hi, I'm Carl. And today, nandito tayo sa showroom to give you a full walk around and in-depth review ng Toyota Veloz 1.5e CVT. Ang entry variant pero sobrang solid for families na naghahanap ng 7-seater na stylish, practical, and syempre, reliable. Kung naghahanap ka ng bagong family car this year, panoorin mo to hanggang dulo. Let's go! Unahin natin sa harap. Kahit e-variant to, makikita mo na meron siyang modern at aggressive na front fascia design. Iba talaga yung dating niya compared kay Avanza. Meron tayong LED position lamp. Yung headlamp, simple pero malinis tingnan. And yung front grille, black texture design. Ang neat, hindi cluttered. Pagdating sa side, mapapansin mo na wala itong over fenders, which is isa sa difference niya sa G at D variants. But still, ang ganda pa rin ng cut and lines ng Veloz E. Meron tayong 16-inch alloy wheels which actually gives a more comfortable ride dahil mas makapal yung goma. Side mirrors are body colored with auto adjust and auto retract. Door handles are also body colored and with smart key entry, kaya no need to take out the key. Just touch to unlock. Compact, pero 7-seater. Yan ang charm ng Veloz. Sakto for city driving, parking, o pang long drives. Sa likod, meron pa rin tayong LED connected taillight design, which is a signature look for Veloz lineup. Kaya kahit entry variant ito, hindi tinipid ang forma niya sa likod. Meron din tayong shark fin antenna, high mount stop lamp, rear wiper, backup camera, backup sensor, and a clean bumper. Overall, kahit e-variant ka, hindi ka mapapahiya sa panlabas na forma. Buksan naman natin ang cargo space ng Veloz. Isa sa strong points ng Veloz ay utility. And kapag naka-fold ang third row seats, ay maluwag. Perfect for groceries, luggage, or gamit pang out of town. Toyota's practicality at its best talaga. Pasukin naman natin ang loob ng Veloz. Pagpasok mo sa loob, ito ang magugustuhan mo. Even as an entry variant, yung dashboard layout ay sobrang modern and premium looking. May soft touch inspired trim, layered design, at very ergonomic. Meron tayong audio control sa steering wheel and 7-inch na multi-information display or instrument cluster. Touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Push start button and automatic climate control. CVT din ang transmission, kaya super smooth and matipid sa gas. Electronic na rin ang parking brake with hold feature. And may wireless charging din. Combination of leather and fabric ang seat material. Kaya comfortable at hindi mainit sa balat. Yung driver seat is 6-way adjustable, including height adjust. And ang mas nagbibigay ng luxury feel dito sa interior ng Veloz ay ang sobrang eleganteng ambient lighting nito. Sa second row ay same leather and fabric material combination with 60-40 split fold, sliding and reclining seats, nice legroom, and may rear AC vents para comfortable ang passengers. Meron ding back pocket para sa mga dala-dala mong gadgets. And may cup holder din sa gitna. At merong dalawang 12 volts na charging port. Sa third row naman, syempre, best for kids, lalo na sa long drives. Pero, for a 7-seater at this size, maganda pa rin ang space flexibility niya. Madali ring i-fold kung kailangan ng cargo space. Pagdating sa safety, meron tayong multiple airbags, ABS, Vehicle Stability Control, Hill Start Assist Control, at ISOFIX for child seats. Ready na for the safety of your family. Under the hood is a 1.5-liter dual VVTi gasoline engine that delivers up to 106 horsepower and 138 Nm of torque. Mated ito with a CVT, kaya smooth, tipid, and perfect for city driving. Overall, the Toyota Veloz e-CVT is a great choice kung naghahanap ka ng 7-seater na may SUV styling, practical, and modern-looking na interior space, Toyota reliability, and affordable na presyo. Kung interested ka sa Veloz e-CVT, message mo lang ako at pag-usapan natin kung paano maiuwi ang Veloz mo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Toyota review. And kita-kits sa next vlog.